Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Today's video is on the benefits of boundaries or limits in your home. First, I'll start with a real story. Several years ago, I helped an older lady that was very overwhelmed with all of her stuff. She couldn't seem to get rid of anything, even papers, because it was all very special to her. I got to the point where I felt like I couldn't make any progress with her. Then I got an idea. What if I took everything out of an area and told her to put back only the things that would fit in that space? It didn't matter whether it was a box or a shelf or a drawer. There was a space that had defined limits. By doing this, she focused on the things she wanted the most and finally was able to let go of the rest. A lot of times people look at boundaries or limits as bad things, like they restrict you from doing what you want or take away your freedom. There's some real value in limits when organizing and taking care of your home. I will share some examples and you can see if this method would work well for you or not. Let's start with your bookcase. If the books you have don't fit on your bookcase, then it's time to get rid of some. Don't shove any books on top of the other books or on top of the bookcase. If the bookcase is full, don't go buy another bookcase. Keep the books you like the most and donate the others to the library. You don't have to own them all. Reducing what you have helps you to choose and keep the things you like the most. If we don't set boundaries or limits, our stuff can take over our homes. Another example is a junk drawer. We used to have pens, pencils, highlighters, and Sharpies that took up a lot of space in our junk drawer. I got a pencil box and put in any that would fit inside and donated the rest. They're organized now. I always know where to find them, and I've always had enough for what I need. If a pen runs out of ink, I can replace it, but I don't keep more than fits in the pencil box. In my kitchen, I have food cupboards and cupboards for dishes. I can keep as many dishes as will fit in my cupboards. If the cupboard is a mess, or if I buy more than I need, I keep the ones I like the most and donate the others. I think twice before buying something because I know I'll have to get rid of something else if I do. I have one set of stoneware dishes and one set of china. I don't need any more than that, and honestly, I really don't need the china. If you have young kids, maybe you'd like a set of plastic dishes and then have one set of stoneware dishes or Corelle dishes for adults. In our playroom, we have toys for kids to play with. I have one bucket of Duplos and one bucket of Playmobil 123 and limited amounts of other toys. If I'm shopping and I see a fun set I'd like to buy, I remember that I can only have one bin of each type of toy, and it makes me think twice about buying something new. I have room for a defined amount of toys, and although I would love to go get some Thomas trains for the playroom, I don't want to get rid of something else right now, so I can buy them. By limiting the amount of toys and bins I have in the playroom, it's easy to clean. I keep all of my underclothing in one drawer. Recently, I noticed that it had crept into another drawer and was taking over half of it. I went through everything and kept only what would fit in the one designated drawer. We keep games and puzzles in one closet. Whatever doesn't fit on the two shelves gets to find another home. Look at your silverware drawer. Does all of your silverware fit in it? Count it and see how many you have and consider how many you think you need. Get rid of the extras that are going over into the other sections of your silverware tray. The good thing about limits is that they define what to keep and what not to keep. People can choose whatever they want in that area, but once it's full, then the rest must go. Parents may like this method since it is the space that dictates what to keep and not the parent. Having limits or boundaries in your home helps to keep the stuff under control and not take over your home. It makes things more manageable to take care of and easier to clean. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.